things first, we're going to take an empty container, turn on the hot water, take some white vinegar and hand soap or dish soap and your brushes, and once the water is hot, you're going to fill up the container and add your soap and 1 cap of the white vinegar. And then you are going to place all of the brushes that you want to clean into it. I don't use my beauty sponge with this method, nor do I use it for any oval shaped brushes. Then I leave it for at least 12 hours. And when I get back, I just take a matte cleaner. I don't know what this is called, but I just take a little soap on that and then I clean out every single brush and I run it under hot water, getting rid of all the soap suds. Then I lay it onto a towel to air dry. I forgot to show how I clean my beauty sponge, but I just take soap and hot water for that. If you liked this video, give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on all my social media accounts. and make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. And my brushes are totally clean after this, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!